What is up, everybody? Today we are finally making my quiet Nismo louder. And you may be asking, how are we gonna do that? This is how. Yes, sir. We are finally installing the Tomei exhaust and my ISR Y pipe. So I already have Megan test pipes on the car with a stock Y pipe and the stock Nismo exhaust. So we're going to be putting on the ISR Y pipe and we're going to put on the single exit Tomei exhaust, the infamous Tomei exhaust. So yeah, let's get right into this video. I'm going to be heading to the mechanic shop right now. It's pretty much my family's mechanic shop that they own, and they give me the deals on installing stuff, so I'm not going to do it on my own. I'm going to just let them put it on the lift and get it over with real quick. So yeah, let's get a little cold start of the stock exhaust, because this is going to be the last one. That oil pressure looking lovely. Boy just arrived at the shop. They're a little jam-packed right now and shit. Best in Kissimmee, Orlando area, man. Got niggas tune in. They work on every car, man. They got Beamers here, Maros, Bag Mercedes, and they're about to install the Tomei and the ISR Y pipe. Got a Z back there. That G. Pretty much chilling, man. I'm gonna get back to y'all though when my car's up and ready. See inside. Ooh. Yeah, see, that's what I was talking about. That damn Y pipe been through war. Sheesh.
It's not gonna touch the bumper, right? It shouldn't.
Nah, it's not. It's gonna have a little space, but I gotta go to AutoZone and buy like that heat tape so it doesn't burn it. And I'll just put it on. It's got the TL in here. So yeah, I got the TL ski in here. Oh my god. Oh, this y'all's? Man, I remember this car. It's my first ever car I had. That shit, them shit stay in the shops. Yeah. So yeah, I'm totally rusty. What the hell is that? That's the gasket. That shit donezo. Anybody want it? $2. Take them.
being about a boom.
Why?
The long thing.
It's that one. Yeah.
Shield on the bottom.
Um.
Shield on the bottom.
Yeah, I think so.
Grab the exhaust, the bolts. Come on, wash it. Bolt and nut. We'll tighten everything up all at once. Just put all the parts together. Turn it however you gotta turn it. Like this.
It's the easiest part.
Is there a clamp for this? Yeah, bring that piece. Put the rubber on that piece and just drop it over this. Which side? This side, right?
Yeah, this goes at the bottom. That symbol.
Put the rubber.
Here. This. I think you're probably gonna have to open this up or some shit.
Where's this going? Here?
It's gonna hold like this canister piece.
A hook on this side like this.
Yeah. And it's gonna hold up the big canister.
You know what the fuck we need, right? Grease.
You could just that black piece on it. You could open it. I think. Yeah, that black. If you pull that black thing on the top right there.
This?
Yeah, I think it should open with that. If you take that off and then put it back on.
Ah, there's supposed to be a bolt that goes across it. I hear you.
Oh.
Makes sense.
Yeah, and I think you use that black piece to close it back. Or I don't know if it has a bolt. I think that's how it is.
Yeah, it might need a bolt. Because you can't.
It might be the single bolt here.
Yeah, one of that single bolts. And then this is supposed to smooth pace on the bolt. It's fine though.
And those are just the hooks to hold it together.
Put the hook here.
Yeah.
Here to here. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
these, yeah, those springs just hook and hold it like,
From here to here.
yeah. Pretty much to keep to keep it together and
What you
shit.
can do is you can just take a screw. Show the big screw. You'll see fucking screw. Now this, probably can ground it like that. And we need this, because this, otherwise you'll have static in the radio and shit.
Tomei, boy.
Yes, sir.
You think your boy got one of these suits?
Yeah. Bro, he got everything.
What size is it?
15 and 16.
15 and 16?
Yeah. More manual because my gun can't fit here.
Don't forget to tag us, bro.
You already know.
You got one on your phone. And this one.
Damn, I gotta go buy some heat tape. This bitch is gonna melt my shit. There you have it. ISR Y pipe. Tomei single exit. It's up to you, man. You know the fucking vibes, nigga.
That shit sounds like a problem.
Shit sounds like tickets out the ass. Big shout out to H&R Automotives, man. Shout out for the Tomei exhaust on the 350Z NISMO. If y'all are in Kissimmee, Orlando, I highly recommend going to them. Trust me, best prices, best work.
I got a feeling that